Hi, Joe Bolte, PFR technician and herbicide specialist. Today I am at our Effingham, Illinois location for our virtual herbicide insight days. Now last year we started doing these demo plots to look at maybe some effective ways to control weeds. Now we started to do last year the Enlist system and Enlist post study. Now why did we do that? Well, with the Enlist system we have three different options when it comes to post herbicides. We can spray the 2,4-D choline, which is Enlist One and Enlist Duo. We can also spray glyphosate and Liberty. So having three options, more options is good, right? But that also comes with more decisions, more choices to make. So what is the best weed control or tank mix when it comes to Enlist E3 soybeans? Behind me is the post-only study. Now we don't recommend just going out spraying in a post, right? We want to spray pre with multiple effective sites of action, but we did the study to really put these herbicides under a test and see what they do in heavy weed pressure scenarios. So you'll see there's some weeds behind me because this is a heavy weed pressure scenario. This isn't where we just had a pre and we're coming in just to clean up a few escapes with that post herbicide. So we're really putting these herbicides under the test. Now last year what we've seen was the Enlist One and Liberty put together resulted in the most effective water hemp control over glyphosate or Enlist One and clethodim, some of these other products that we can maybe throw in the tank. We also seen the three-way mixture, the Enlist One, the Liberty, and glyphosate do really well also. And behind me, that's what this treatment is. Right here's the Enlist One, Liberty, and glyphosate. Now, we do have some carpet weed that's emerged after these post applications. Some of those bigger plants are emerged as the water hemp. So overall, compared to our untreated check, we cleaned up a lot of this water hemp. We had really effective control. If we would have had a pre put down and we were only cleaning up a few escapes, we would have had a really clean field. If you notice though, these plots also have fall panicum, and we don't see that fall panicum sticking up in the Enlist One, Liberty, and glyphosate. But over here, we substituted the glyphosate with clethodim, so Section 3 clethodim product. So what's the difference between the two treatments? Well, glyphosate, we had better grass control than clethodim. Clethodim appears maybe there's some antagonism going on with that mixture. We didn't have the same control that we do with the glyphosate, so we maybe be seeing a little bit of antagonism with that mixture as well. Now, comparing the two different mixtures, if we had no volunteer corn concerns, this would maybe be the way we wanted to go, versus here, if we had GMO volunteer corn, we would have to go this route and kind of just realize that we're going to maybe give up a little bit of our grass control. Some other things we looked at, like I said, Enlist and Liberty together. That was very effective on water hemp. Pretty good grass control as well. Once again, if we would have had that pre, that would have helped us out. And then this year, we also started looking at maybe some mixtures of a group 14 and group 15, such as Anthem Maxx. So Anthem Maxx and Enlist put together, Enlist One put together, and we've seen that really helped our water hemp control. We've seen our water hemp control be more comparable with the Enlist One and Liberty versus an Enlist One and glyphosate. We typically give up some of our water hemp control versus the Liberty. That Anthem Maxx also helped us out there. Also, what that Anthem Maxx did, that was our in-season residual as well. It has the Zidua component side of things with the Anthem Maxx in it. So we're also getting that group 15 in season and looking at some post activity. So we do see a little bit of post activity with that product as well as our in season residual. We'll continue to evaluate this plot. Like I said, we have now starting to develop a 2-year data set with some of these different mixtures. Overall, a very effective weed control. We would have seen, some better results if we put that pre, but we did that on purpose to really put these products to the test. Thank you for watching and have a great day.